Hey guys, Freedom for Kaz here. Just want to show you the gale force winds that we're having right now in the middle of the winter storm Ion. Wind's probably blowing about 20-30 miles an hour right now. The wind chill is 20 below. It's really whipping. It's really cold. You can hear those flags crack in the wind. I can't even barely talk. The wind is blowing really hard. Gale force winds. I don't know if you can see that. Snow just blowing like crazy. The wind is just out of control, blowing really hard. Man, is it cold. See how hard that wind's blowing? It's snowing and blowing at the same time. It's crazy. Incredibly cold. Hey guys, Freedom for Kaz here. Just making a quick video today, again talking about the winter storm Ion, and just want to show you just how cold it is right now on my smartphone here. If you can see, it's not all that clear, but up here it says Ann Arbor, and it's minus 15 degrees. And so I'm going to swipe my finger here. And now it says Flint, minus 13 degrees right now. And so if I check my smartphone here, I click on this, and then I'm going to go to a different screen. Just give it a second. Working on it. For Flint, Michigan, I don't know if you can see that, but it says the wind chill is a negative 34 degrees. The wind chill is minus 34 degrees right now. And in Ann Arbor, it's minus, or in Flint, it's minus 13. And in Ann Arbor, it's minus 15. It is just extremely cold here. And I will, I'll do a report in the morning. But it's extremely cold here in Michigan, and we got more snow today, so now we've got about literally 12 inches out there. So if you can hear me and you're in the upper Midwest, stay warm.